Hey there! Today we're diving into a common scenario that developers often come across. The problem we have is related to setting up a standard message template in a C# program for logging purposes. This template includes essential properties like timestamp, log level, and a correlation ID. However, there's a need to add specific properties like interval type, method, and elapsed time to certain log messages. The challenge lies in ensuring that these additional properties are displayed prominently in the log message rather than being buried within the message itself. Now, let's talk about the solution. To address this issue, the key step is to utilize the PushProperty method with an additional parameters set to true when adding the totalTime object to the log context. This ensures that the properties of the totalTime object are captured effectively. By making this adjustment, we can ensure that the custom properties are treated as first-class citizens in our log messages. Building on the solution, we can enhance the log output template by splatting the properties of the totalTime object directly into the template. By referencing totalTime in the template string, we instruct the logger to include the specific properties such as interval type, method, and elapsed time alongside the other standard log message properties. This approach allows us to seamlessly integrate the custom properties into the structured JSON log output. To wrap things up, we've successfully tackled the challenge of enhancing log messages by incorporating custom properties effectively. By following these steps and leveraging the capabilities of the logging framework, you can ensure that important details are prominently featured in your log output. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below. Happy coding!